In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Ledger to Ledger Live. Now, first things first, if you need any Ledger devices, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment to get your official Ledger at best prices and also some bonus Bitcoin. So again, link down below, and you'll also support the channel that way. So to connect your Ledger to Ledger Live, in case you already do have one of your ledgers and you want to just go ahead and connect another one, you can go ahead and click on this settings button up top right. Go to help, and then in here you can launch the device setup. But if you're doing this for the first time, whenever you download your Ledger Live app from the official website, you'll see this page over here. Then from here you have to select which device you have. So let's say you have the Nano S Plus, click on select, and then from here, if it's the first time using your Nano S Plus or whatever ledger you're using, click on set up a new device over here. And then you can just go ahead and scroll through this, press continue, read all about it. And then over here, it says you have to plan 30 minutes and take your time. You then have to grab a pen to write with, and then make sure you actually stay alone and choose a safe and quiet environment because you'll be writing down your seed phrase, which no one except you can see, okay? And then when you're ready, just click on OK, I'm ready. And then here it's going to basically give you the instructions. Just go through these instructions. Over here, it's literally step by step. And after you come to the very end, you'll basically have everything set up. Just make sure you actually read everything over here and don't skip any important steps. And yeah, you'll be good to go. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.